Hi friends, welcome to today's video. In this video we will discuss regarding the different methods of data collection in research. First we will see regarding the observation method. So observation is a technique for collecting all the data or acquiring information through occurrences that can be observed through senses with or without a mechanical device. So observation is a technique for data collection. So observation can be observed through senses with or without mechanical devices. It is a two-part process to collect data for study that include an observer, someone who is observing, and the observed. There is something to observe. So observation is a two-part process, that is observer, someone who is observing, and the observed, that is something there is to observe. So the uses of observational method. Observation as a method of data collection is used in following situations: to understand an ongoing process or situation, to gather data on individual behavior or interaction between people, to know about a physical settings, data collection where other methods are not possible. First we will see to understand an ongoing process or situation. Through observation, a process or situation can be monitored and evaluated as it occurs at a particular time. For example, a researcher wants to assess the existing ward management practices in public and private hospitals. In this situation, observer only could be a best method of data collection. So, for example, through observation, a process or situation can be monitored and evaluated for a particular time. For example, researcher want to observe in a ward management practices in a private or public hospital. For that, observation is a best method of data collection. Second one, to gather data on individual behavior or interaction between the people. Observation allows researcher to watch people's behaviors and interactions directly or watch for the results of behavior or interactions. For example, how nurses respond to the agitated patients in emergency settings. So observation allows researcher to watch people's behavior and interaction directly, or it will help to watch for the result of behavior or interactions. For example, so in emergency settings, nurse want to observe how the patient is doing the agitation. Third one is to know about a physical settings. Observing the place or environment where something takes place can help increase understanding of the event, activity or situation that the researcher is evaluating. For example, a researcher can observe whether a classroom or training facility is conducive to learning. To know about a physical setting, for example, observing the place or environment where something takes place can help to increase understanding of the event, activity or situation that the researcher is evaluating. For example, a researcher can observe whether a classroom is effective for teaching or what. Data collection where other methods are not possible. So that is the last point. So if respondents are unwilling or unable to provide data through questionnaire or interview, so other methods of data collection are questionnaire, interview. So in that condition, respondent is not responding to that conditions, we can use observation is a method that requires little from the observer for whom we need data. For example, a researcher is conducting the study on satisfaction of the deaf and dumb illiterate children residing in a rehabilitation center. In this situation, the researcher has only observation method to observe their non-verbal gesture and behavior to assess their satisfaction. So the uses of observational methods are to understand an ongoing process or situation, to gather data on individual behavior or interaction between people, to know about a physical settings, data collection where other methods are not possible. So next we will see the types of observation. So types of observation, that is first one is structured observation, second one unstructured observation, third one participant observation, fourth one non-participant observation. So in next video we will see in detail regarding the types of observation. Hope you understood. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.